Want to cut a video into perfect sections without downloading complicated software? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to split a video in Canva fast, clean, and beginner friendly so you can trim, reorganize, or edit clips individually with zero confusion. Let's get right into it. Once your video project is open in Canva, look below the preview window. You'll see the timeline. That's where the timeline scrubber lives. Think of it like your video's navigation handle. You can drag it left or right to move through different moments in your video. Now, drag the scrubber to the exact point where you want to split. Maybe you're removing an unwanted section, separating scenes, or just organizing clips. Whatever the reason, this marker is the key. Take a second to land right where the cut needs to be. When you're on the right spot, simply right-click on the timeline at that position. A quick menu will pop up, no digging through tabs or extra windows. From this menu, select Split Page. The moment you click it, Canva instantly divides your video at that point. You'll now see two separate clips on your timeline. Each one can be customized individually. Add transitions, adjust timing, apply effects, or move them around to build the flow you want. And the best part? You're doing it all inside the same project with no exporting back and forth. That's literally all it takes. Drag, right-click, split. It's one of the fastest ways to tighten up your video edits in Canva without overthinking the process. If this walkthrough saved you time or cleared things up, stick around for more Canva tips just like this. Drop your topic requests in the comments. I'm always checking them. Thanks for watching and happy editing.